So in Indonesia, there's not like these huge markets at least not in Bali. There's everywhere like these small markets, which is kind of sad.
Don't have fish.
They don't have what?
Fish.
Fish. You want fish?
Yes.
What about the small fish?
I don't want.
Why? You want big fish? You eat fish yesterday.
Let me ask some.
Okay.
Dad, this is the orange juice.
This is the orange juice we just drink.
Yes.
Es jeruk. Not this one. Not this one.
No.
Anywho.
Pak, ada melinjong nggak? Kosong.
Pen linju ada.
Kasih.
Linju pennya.
Iya, daun sama bijinya.
Oh, ada.
Hello.
Iya, makasih.
So, what they say?
I asked for something that I can make
They don't
the
have.
sayur asem,
Yeah.
but then they don't have.
Okay. Huh. That's sad. So yeah, this is one of Bali's mini markets in Seminyak, Robokan, and you can buy everything you need on a daily basis.
You know where we can go for walk for supermarket? Which
Where?
supermarket?
Where the big one?
In Pasar Badung.
Yeah, the really big one, right?
Yes.
In the building
Yes.
where the animal walked through last time. Mm. So yeah, it's a little bit still empty here, eh?
Yeah.
So we cannot buy everything. You want to come back later again?
Yeah, with you.
No, thank you. How many times you have to drive today? Ooh, what is that? Oh.
Pak, ada biji melinjo sama daunnya nggak? Sekarang emang lagi susah ya?
Iya. Lagi susah apalagi pas hari raya kayak gini.
Hello. So many fruits, eh? It's not even fruit. What is E?
Hi.
Hello. Ui. Almost fall down, eh? The bird.
Oh, this is sayang. This is like in Germany.
What?
Tobacco.
Oh, they sell like this.
Yes. I think this
Tobacco?
is the strong one. Yeah,
But
tobacco.
where's you roll into?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's interesting.
And this is the glue.
Glue stick, really? Hello. Sorry. That's crazy. Whew,
Smells so strong, yeah. But I like.
What is that? Bumbu rokok.
Oh, sama tobacco juga.
Also tobacco.
Oh, ini bumbunya. Maksudnya gimana bumbunya?
Ya, kalau mau bikin dikasih itu.
It's interesting. Interesting. How much is like this?
Berapa kalau besar gini?
Itu dong.
20k.
20,000. There's a lot of cigarettes, eh? For 20,000.
Yeah. You should bring some when you go to Germany. You should
Yeah,
bring
next
some
time.
to Nemo. Oh, sempurna 15.
This is 5,000. What was?
15.
15,000.
Bring for more. For
Yeah,
more.
I should, no? Next time. But next time I think, alright? Don't smoke now, eh?
Ini
So,
Nona punya
okay.
satu, Pani punya satu.
Oke, makasih.
Makasih, makasih. Sure, we're leaving. You want to come later to the market again? Okay. So yeah, still not really open, huh? How late is it already?
It's 1,
1 o'clock. What time they really open?
3, 4, 5.
So we come back later. Yeah, back to the market.
Dari apa? Restoran tutup semua.
Oh, still no fish?
They close.
Close? I thought not open today, you mean?
Yeah.
Or closed already? No fish today.
Tutup semua.
Sure, mau apa?
Enggak ada ayam. Makan sayur aja.
No fish today.
Eat this.
What else? Ha, so you buy dry fish. Like this? Not the small one? Like
You
this?
like this
This one,
one?
yeah. This is for the summer. No, this one. This one's good, eh? The best. Salty. So salty. What is that? Yeah, this one, yeah.
Okay, this is spicy.
Okay. How much is this?
6,000.
It's good, eh?
Oh, 5,000.
5.000. This is my favorite.
Take
Pete.
one.
What's in English? I don't know. Pete.
Pete.
Pete. It's really good.
Ambil pete satu. Kita mau bikin sambal hari ini.
Yeah, let's buy that also. Fish mussel. Then you make a nice sambal, right? Sayang make sambal. Gesundheit. Let's do that.
Bu cabenya.
Making fresh. Banana.
This is my favorite veggie.
What is this? Oh,
This is
it's
a
like bitter.
pumpkin leaf.
Yeah?
Not bitter.
Pumpkin leaf. I like also. Yeah, then let's try it. What else? What else? What's the name again? Shifu.
No,
Shizu.
jamur.
Hey, you can't make grammar always. So yeah. So let's continue. What else do we need for the cooking session? So we decided no breakfast anymore. It's too late, but still no fish, right? So
Eat salty fish.
just salty fish. Ooh, nice food. Let's see what else you have. You literally can buy everything what you have in the supermarket also, right?
But tempe and tofu.
We don't need tempe tofu.
No, I want.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
or can we just go to the
to what?
pub?
Cupcake? Packed. Still, today, why is today so little open?
Can you hold this?
Yes, of course.
This one.
I hold it all.
You are man.
What's that?
Finally, I take.
Tofu, tempeh, and fresh tomato. And how much you get? Oosh, that would be good cooking today. Let's buy the best dessert in Bali. Okay. Oh, he's not there. Where is he?
Oh, I want S10.
Okay. What's the part? Buy es chendol first, right? Es chendol. Oh, that.
Hello.
Es
Want
chendol.
to buy that one too?
Yes, two.
Kak,
But we can do after that. We'll let him eat. Let him
es
eat.
cendol juga.
Yeah.
Satu ya. Satu atau dua?
Satu. Satu.
Pak mau beli kuenya kue?
What is this?
This is the green.
Oh, wow.
You want original or mix like that?
No, mix. Hello. with chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah? Chocolate.
One.
Oh no.
One box.
Box. Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Let me see what else is there inside. We have mix. Yeah, mix. Okay, take mix. What's the name? Cookies. Huh. How much is that? Oh, 13. Wait, 1 second. Dang, I need 13,000, mama.
Already?
Got already. That's too much. 13.
Oh, 13.
Not 30. Thank you. It's okay. Ooh, that looks good, man. Thank you. No, this is not what I wanted. Fuck. I wanted the other one, where where they like martabak, but not martabak, the other one. But he's not here.
It's not here.
Ah, sad.
Let's go.
You want to buy fruit or any?
Fruit?
Yeah, you want? You said you wanted fruit, or you don't want?
No, I don't want.
Or you make with. No, it's okay, nah. Let's go. I think that's enough.
Okay.
We have enough food. So what is? So es chendol again. Looks
Yeah.
very weird, no? But tastes really good, I have to say.
You want to try
I like.
too?
Yes, of course I want to try. To try now or try later?
Try now.
Okay, give me es chendol. Why you never buy fish? That looks always so good. You don't trust?
That's tuna. I like. I eat before, but today I want to cook.
Wow, really sweet, eh? Stress on the street. This is chendol. Ui, almost fall down. So, that's it for today. We had really nice chendol. Can you hold 1 second? Now, where's the key now? And uh-oh. This does not fit. Does it? Oh no, then you have to hold. No. Ay, ay, ay. And then you have to hold your chendol also. Oh my goodness. Okay. So yeah, today didn't work out as expected, but that's how it is sometimes, eh? So, let's go home. Drive through the market. Ooh, you film how we drive through the market? You cannot, no? I film how we drive through the market. You can? Here. But from front, eh? Or from back, I don't know. No, like in front, like turn around. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Through the market with us. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, they have Austin there. And let's go. Whee! Ayola. So guys, that was the drive through the market. You see how big the market is. And now, not big at all. But we have what we got. We got what we wanted to. And now Johanna will cook some nice dinner for us. And then we will see, right? Oh, traffic. Okay, that's it, guys. Wish you a wonderful day. Hope the next time we plan something will work out better. Yeah. By the way, guys, these things taste amazing. Bye bye.